This is DJI Mini 2 SE, and today I'll show how you can remap this function button on your remote controller. So if you would like to change the action of this button or the option that it is responsible for, launch the DJI Fly app on your phone, connect it to your RC of course, switch on the drone itself, so make sure that everything is powered on and connected. Then open the flying interface, go into settings, control, scroll down and find the button customization field. Here you can select what action will be performed once you press this button. So right now it is set to recenter tilt down gimbal. As you can see, it does its function promptly. And you can also change what action will be performed once you double press this button. So for example, you can change it to switch in the gimbal mode between follow and FPV, do some camera stuff like open camera settings and so on, and some other options as well. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.